Hello, Courtney, and everyone over there at Bellamy Construction. This is Charles. Thanks for responding me to my message on Facebook. This is a video I was going to send. I just wanted to send you a quick video giving you a couple of tips of what you can do to help get more customers, show you the type of numbers of people who are looking for your services. And you feel free to use these tips, implement them, give them to someone who's building your website or helping you with your SEO, or if you like what you see, I'm more than willing to talk. But I believe that these are valuable in getting more people looking for you. So the three things that I just wanted to talk about were content, citations, and backlinks. And I'm going to focus on this website. Also have a marketing firm, but I couldn't find that website. However, within our location, Akron, and the services that you're providing with Bellamy Construction, I think this is good enough to show you how you can get more people coming in to see you. All right, so content, citations, and backlinks. Content is everything on your website. All the text that you see, all the pictures, even what the pictures are saved as. For example, that picture, you can see it saved as a string of just random letters and numbers. All of this is relevant. Any bots on the internet, especially like Google, because people use, 90% of people use Google to search for local services like yours. Any bots that Google uses, Google reads and indexes all sites, so it knows to put them in front of different searches. So they will read all the text, all the words behind the text. It's important to have about 1,000 to 1,500 words of good authoritative text on your front page of your website, showing exactly your services, exactly what you do, the specials you offer, etc. And it's also important to include different keywords within that text. Now, keywords are important. Keywords are those phrases that people use to search for your services on Google. For example, I know you do remodeling from your website, so if I was looking for your services on Google, I'd say I'm in Akron, Ohio, I'd type something like bathroom remodeling, Akron, Ohio. And the more relevant you are, the higher that Google is going to place you in the search results. We know about 90% of adults use Google to search for local services. 70% of them stay on the front page. So being on the front page is important to get calls. Just a mention about these search results. This first area here where you see this ad, all of these are Google ads. The second area of the search results is a map pack. I'm going to talk about this when it comes to citations. And then you have your organic search results. I'm going to talk about this section when it comes to backlinks. Okay, so that's it for content. Remember, 1,000 to 1,500 words of authoritative content on your front page, sprinkled in with those keywords people use to search for your services. Then, second thing is citations. Citations has more to do with this map pack area, where you have 3 businesses listed with a map of the local area where you're searching. If you click on the more businesses, you'll find other businesses within the map pack. So how do you rank higher and higher here so that you can be in the top 3 that are shown on the front page? Comes down a lot to citations. Citations are anywhere on the internet that your name, address, and phone number are cited in different directories online. Directories like Better Business Bureau, Yelp.com, Superpages.com, Yellowpages.com, etc. The more relevant directories and the higher number, the more you'll rank here. That's why a lot of people ask me, how come some companies with less reviews, for example, these guys here, the second, have way less than the third, or the fourth or the fifth? Why do less reviews rank higher? Well, citations is part of that. So doesn't only have to come down to reviews. Last thing I want to talk about are backlinks. Backlinks are where one website links to your website, directing traffic to you. The higher in relevancy of the backlinks and the higher in power of the backlinks, and the more backlinks you have, all factor into ranking higher and higher in this area here, this what's known as the organic section. So as a competitor, as an example, I'll take one of your competitors here, and I'm going to use a tool called Ahrefs. Ahrefs helps measure websites, helps analytics. You can look at different keywords and see how many people are searching for them every month. For example, carpenter, Akron, Ohio, 100 people search for that every month. The search I did earlier on, bathroom remodeling, Akron, Ohio, 100 people search for that every month. So when you rebuild your website, it's important to do some good keyword research and make sure you include good keywords that are on that people use, so that Google can put you in front of those searches. So I'm just going to put in the domain of your competitor just to look at their backlinks and see whether it's possible to beat them or not. So they have about 708 from 47 sites, domains. So it's up to whoever's doing your SEO to come in and look at their domain, at their backlinks, what domains they get the backlinks from, and make sure you're beating them. You can double or even triple the number of backlinks they have, so that you start to appear higher in these searches. So those are the three things I want to talk about: backlinks, citations, and content. Again, my name is Charles. I will reach out just to get feedback on this video. But like I said, these are free tips. Feel free to take them and use them to help you start to see more and more of traffic coming to you organically without advertising. Thank you.